Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it. And now let's scroll down to actually very bottom and find the system section. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here, we've got some options to customize. First of all, we can decide how we want to set the date and time. Just tap on this option, and as you can see, now we are using network provided time, but we can also set use a GPS provided time, or we can turn off this option. So after tapping here, you can see that we can right now manually set the date and time. So simply tap here, and from the calendar choose the date you'd like to use, for example this one. Tap on OK. As you can see, it is immediately applied. The same situation with the time, so from this clock simply tap on the time you'd like to set. As you can see, it also immediately appears on the status bar. The same situation will be with the time zone. We can use network provided time zone, or we can set it manually. So in order to do that, simply turn off this option, and the time zone option right now is active, so we can tap on it. Here we've got the list of available time zones, so just find the one you'd like to set, for example this one, and tap on it. And as you can see, it is immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone manually, that time will also change according to the time zone. What's more, you can decide if you'd like to use 24-hour format or 12-hour format. Now we've got obviously 12-hour format, but if you'd like to use another one, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, it immediately changes. If you'd like to get back to all previous settings, just turn it off, tap on automatic time zone, and use network provided time. So actually that's all. This is how to set date and time in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.